Guys, welcome, samahan nyo ako. Dito tayo sa backyard. So a few hours ago nagpunta ako sa Boyer shooting range. Tinesting ko yung GSG 522 ko kung gagana. Hindi pa rin gumana kaya bitin yung ano ko, shooting. Sabi ko airgun shooting tayo dito sa backyard. So testingin natin, penetration test tayo. Mga cans, ilang can tatagos. Kasi in-update ko lang yung transfer port nitong Crossman 2300 ko. 2300 nga ba to? I forgot. So tingnan natin kung ilang lata tatagos yung bala. Gagamitin natin pointed pellet. So ito lang pointed pellet ko ngayon, RWS. Okay. So syempre pag penetration test, mas maganda pointed. Pagka expansion, hollow point. So pag testing natin mamaya, pagtapos natin dyan, busin lang natin yung CO2 hollow point na gamitin natin. May prepare akong target doon sa ano, sa backstop na yon, rated yan for 22 LR. So tapos ano yan, yung backstop ko metal door yan, tinapon ng neighbor. So, like I said, here is my custom Crossman. There you go. Let's load the CO2. Don't forget your pellet gun oil. I learned my lesson not using this. I broke the seal of my other Crossman 2240. Okay. Open. There's the light. Somebody's calling me. Okay. Okay. Gun oil. It will help with the seal. I like it. Okay. Tighten it. Just hand tight. Shoot once to pierce. Maybe one more. Alright, it's ready. Okay. Super Point Extra 5.56 5.5 millimeter, caliber 22, 14.5 grains. See the shape. Okay. Here we go. Safety on. Let's go. Okay, this is gonna be an up close shot, about 2 to 3 feet away, and the neighbor's dog wants to join in my video. So turn the, see that? Oh, I think it's better. And he's not stopping. About 2.5 feet away. Penetration test, eye protection, and neighbor's dog. Safety off. Dang. Okay, here we go. In between the letter C and the O. 1, 2. Check. Just one. Pellet is trapped inside. Huh. Just one. Guys, pumasok ko sa bahay, kumuha ako ng pump. So hindi available yung Crossman 1322 ko, yung Umarex Strike Point tayo. Pump. Parehas sila na size, parehas ng specs, 22 caliber, pero eto pump to. So tingnan natin. So pag hindi pa, dinala ko din yung ano, yung bagong bili ko na Seneca Dragonfly. So cock it. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, ready. Okay guys, so ano nangyari? Yung CO2 ko, bumutas siya. No, yan, butas. Hindi lang lumabas sa likod. Kala ko mahina. Yung pump na dent lang, hindi pumasok. Bakit? Usually kasi mas malakas ang compressed air, mga pneumatic air compared sa CO2. But then this time, malakas to. Bakit? Kasi modded na to. So kung napanood nyo yung vlog ko kahapon about the Luzon knife, sabi ko ang dumi ng kamay ko. Nilabas ko yung ano nito, yung internals nito, pinalaki ko yung transfer port, tapos yung spring nito sa likod, nilakasan ko. Ano pa ba? Siyempre, extended ba ang barrel nito? Yeah, extended ang barrel niya. Ay hindi, pares lang pala. Actually, mas maikli pa nga eh. Yeah, pares lang sila sa barrel. Pero yung CO2, no? Lakas niya dito ngayon. So, successful. Yun ang tinetest ko talaga eh. Yung mod ko yesterday, yung transfer port, kumuha ako ng file. Paikot yung final ko para lumaki yung butas niya. So, ibig sabihin, yung pasok ng CO2 palabas, pasok niya dito sa barrel, mas mabilis, mas marami, mas malakas. So, imagine nyo, no? What else? Tawag doon. Yeah, yun lang naman eh. Yun ang excited talaga ako eh. So, lumakas talaga tong pistol ko, yung custom pistol ko. Ano ko eh. Na-excite ako testingin. So, kahit pistol lang siya, malakas, no? Tawag dito. Yan pala, tinanggal. In-strip ko pa yung color nito. Dati black to eh. Binabad ko lang sa suka. Pati yung likod. Ino-oil ko na lang para maganda yung color coordination niya. Custom, galing to sa Crossman Custom Shop. Binili ko, pinagawa ko to, 10 years ago, tagal na. No? So ito, 1/30 na red dot. So malakas pala talaga to. Malakas pala talaga. Kasi usually, malakas ang mga pump eh. Kasi compressed air yan eh. Tinalo niya to. Yung Umarex strike point. Hindi nag-penetrate. So, yan. Successful yung mod ko. Pero bitin pa ako. Gamit tayong rifle. Okay, let's use Seneca Dragonfly MK2. And I'm about 4 feet away. Cock it. Safety. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is the max for Seneca Dragonfly. Same pointed pellet from RWS. Loading. Okay. In between the C and the O. Safety off. Okay. Check it out. Haha! Went through and through. First scan. Through and through. And these are strong cans. Oh, I think this is the second. Yep. So one whole can and almost this, by the way, these are strong cans compared to your soda cans. Bago natin ubusin yung CO2 ng pistol ko, sayang naman eh, kailangan ubusin yan. May nag-comment doon sa isa kong channel, sa PNY Prepper channel, sa English channel ko. Sabi niya, nag-comment siya doon sa Crossman Vigilante ko eh. Sabi niya, hindi raw nakaka-break ng glass ang pellets. BBs lang daw. Sabi ko, I don't know. Sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung taga saan to. Baka, baka taga UK siya. Kasi regulated ang FPS nila. Below 500 yata sila, di ba? Pag more than 500, kinukonsider nila na firearm. That's crazy. Pati Canada, below 500 dapat ang FPS ng airgun mo. So dito, may limit naman dito sa United States, yung FPS. Ang limit namin dito, sky is the limit. Okay? Kung kaya ng baril mo, then so be it. So, ayan. Babaril tayo ng bote para mapagbigyan naman natin itong viewer na hindi alam yung power ng airguns ng US. So tingnan natin yung kayang basagin itong pistol. Pag hindi itong pistol, rifle gagamitin ko. Okay. So same, pointed pellet by RWS. Pwede rin ang hollow point. Anyway, tara, pointed pellet na lang. Okay, let's do this. Right on. Same pellet. I think this is my most powerful CO2 pistol. Okay, let's flip this up. And I can give this more power. So here we go. Safety. Okay, one shot. Let's try to break the glass bottle. Here we go. Oh, I heard it. No edits. Let's check it out. Like I said, one of my viewers said, "Let's can't break glass." Here we go. Good thing I caught almost everything except this and this. I think that's it. Oh, there's one more here. One more here. Oh, three more here. And last. That's it. Oh, one more. I think I'm around 20 feet or less than 30 feet. Yun, pinagbigyan ko na. Ayan. Ayan, buti salo lahat. Basag. Less than 30 feet. Okay, sabihin nyo, lapit yan lang ang backyard ko. Hindi ako pwedeng pumutok sa kapitbahay. Tatawag ng polis yan. Anyway, so ako rin, na-surprise din ako. Happy surprise. Kasi, hindi yan nakakak. Itong custom ko na pistol, may tatak pa. Laser engraved yan kasama sa binayaran ko sa Crossman Custom Shop. Pag nagpagawa ka doon kasi libre na yung engraving. Laser engraving. Lakas! Less than 30 feet. Basag yung bote, walang problema. Kala ko pag hindi na basag yan, gagawin ka dragonfly. Yes, no? Nanonood ako palagi ngayon ng mga ewan ko ba, na-curious ako sa mga airgun sa Pilipinas ngayon. Puro rifle naman, puro CO2 rifles ang pinagkakaabalahan dyan kasi naghahunting ng ibon. Bihira ang gumagamit ng pistol. Nakakatawa kasi ang pistol kasi pwede mo siyang gamitin sa backyard. And yung nagtatanong sa akin kung yung Gamo daw ba, Gamo break barrel kaya 100 yards or 100 meters. Sabi ko hindi ko alam kasi pag ganyang distance, powder burner na ginagamit ko, totoong barrel na ginagamit ko, no? Minimum 22 LR na, no? 22 LR, 223, 308. No, meron pa ako diyang 6.5 Creedmoor, di ko pa ginagamit. Anyway, bakit? Kasi anong babarilin mo sa 100 yards? Ano ba pala, ako hindi ko lang ma-get sa ano, ng mga Pilipino, sa mga kapwa ko Pilipino na air gunner. Naghanap sila ng ano, no offense ha, sabihin ko lang. Pag naghanap sila ng air gun, gusto ko yung ano, abot ng ano, 100 yards, 50 meters nga, malayo na eh. Ang sa akin, para saan? Para saan? Kung ang babarilin mo lang ibon, kailangan mo ba 100 yards ang layo mo? Kailangan mo lumapit, ano? Kasi hunter ako, hunter talaga ako. 'Di ba? Meron tinatawag na ethical kill. Dapat siguradong one shot patay yung hayop. Although sinasabi ko na by law bawal sa Pilipinas ang hunting, no? Sineshare ko lang sa inyo yung ethical kill. So bakit ka lalayo? Kung nasa 100 yards ka, 100 meters, kailangan mo lumapit. Kailangan mo lumapit kasi minor error, minor correction, magmi-miss ka or may injured mo lang yung hayop tapos tatakbo lang yan, lilipad, mamamatay, and hindi mo rin siya mapapakinabangan. So, yun ang tatawag na ethical kill. Kung ano, haharbisin mo siya, dapat one shot. Okay, so, kaya gusto ko naman yung pistol kasi pwede kong gawin sa backyard, hindi ko na kailangan pumunta sa gun range or sa property. Low power lang siya compared sa rifle, syempre. Pero, for plinking, target shooting, talagang na-attract ako sa pistols. Oh, tara, shoot tayo. I have a paper target set up over there. I'm just gonna use all my CO2 here. There we go. Red light, red dot still on. Do some shooting. There we go. My eyesight is not that good. Middle row, middle circle. Oh, you can see it. Safety. Oh boy, can't see. Just on top. Notice the sound. That's the target. So you can see me. No. So that's four shots. 4 shots. Going up, 5. Six. 7. Right. 8. Wind, 8. 9. 10. There's wind. 10. 27. Twelve. 13. 14. 15. 15. Oh, there's wind. 16. 17. Whew. It's windy. 18. That's a big hole. 19. 20. 's windy. Hold on. 21. That's a big hole. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. I think I'm losing power. I need to compensate. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 43. Four. 35. Spend 5. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. I think we'll stop at 40. 40 is enough. Let's see if it can hit those cans. 40 shots plus 1 for the cans. One. 42. 43. 43. I'm saving those cans. Let's shoot the paper target again. 43. Oh no, this 43. Oh no, one more can. 43. Oh, no power. I think that's it. It bounced. 43 shots. Guys, nakakabilib to mga 12 gram CO2s. Naka 43 shots ako. Kita nyo naman yung power niya, lalo na yung first 10 shots. Yung number 2 shot niya ba yung bumasag ng glass bottle, tapos umabot ng 43. Okay, so di ko pa alam ngayon kung satisfied na ako sa power, kasi pwede ko pang i-mod yung valve niya para lumakas siya pero bababa yung shot count ko. Okay lang din sa akin yan, pero depende kasi ang purpose mo kung kailangan mo power or number of shots. Hindi pwedeng parehas madami unless lalakyan mo yung reservoir mo. So imagine yung 43 shots, and I think I got 30 good shots. Tingnan natin yung target. Ang laki ng butas. 6:30 PM. My neighbor's gonna look. Okay. Look at my target. Made a big hole. Guys, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, please click like and subscribe. And see you next time.